Hello everyone. How's it going? I'm going to show you really quick the new Close to My Heart colors. I showed them to you when I did the walkthrough through the entire book, but I just got a package, a custom package that I chose the pages so that I could get a couple of all of the new colors to have for my inventory and also to share with you. So the first new color I'm going to share is called Papaya. This is Papaya. It's kind of a peachy color, a little bit darker than our peach that we do have. If you look in the book, you can see the papaya and the peach. Lovely color. Matching ink pad to go with that color. The next one is Mulberry. This is a really light purplish color between sangria and grape. Mulberry is the color. It's so pretty. And here is the ink pad. Do you know about our ink pads? They're really nice. They're magnetic. They stick together. You can pull this off and then stick them on top of each other while you're using them, or set the lid aside or whatever you want, but they clip together because they're magnetic. Love them. So the next color is Capri. This is just a really pretty color of blue. In between Lagoon and Sapphire, Capri is the color. The next color is called Harbor Blue. This Harbor Blue is kind of a grayish blue color. I love it. It is down here between these blues and greens. It's one of my favorite new colors. I love it so much. Matching ink pad. Really pretty. This next color, you may have heard my husband yelling for me. He didn't realize I was recording, and I think he wanted me to do something. This one is Rosemary. It's a grayish green, just a hint of green. This is the ink pad right here that matches it. The next new color is Shortbread. It's a yellow tone, kind of straw, and I think you're on my video. Sorry. This is the ink pad that is the Shortbread. It's a really light, like shortbread. It's the color of shortbread cookies. So pretty. The next color that is new is Mocha. We haven't had this chocolatey color for a while. The colors that we do have is espresso and toffee, these brown tones, but this Mocha color is just really nice and chocolatey. Love it. And a color of the year, they come out with a color of the year every year. And this year it is called Wild Berry. It's a really pretty shade of like fuchsia pink. I love it so much. I'm going to grab another sample real quick for you. I've showed this before. This right here is Sapphire Blue. But Close to My Heart's cardstock has a white core. So if you're making scrapbook pages or want a little bit of a fun edge, if you tear this paper, it's got that white core. So you have that really cool white edge to the paper. All of the Close to My Heart paper has this white core, including black. But there's also a new black that is black cord, which I don't have that yet. If you don't like the white core for your black projects. But Close to My Heart cardstock is really awesome. And I've used it with my die cut machine to scrapbook and make cards. And Close to My Heart coordinates everything. Cardstocks, ink pads, and all the kits coordinate with all of the Close to My Heart colors. Love using them. They're really awesome colors. So check out my website and purchase what you love or ask me some questions. See you guys later, and always be creative.